Hi friends, welcome to the channel. There is a big breaking and very good news from devTown that it is conducting free training on introduction to data science using Python, and they are going especially with Python packages like Numpy, pandas and all. So watch the video till the end to know complete details about this training, and they are providing a training completion certificate with the project details. At the end of this training, you will get a project regarding Microsoft and Google. There you need to complete your project regarding the knowledge which is gained by this training, and they are giving certain time to complete that project. Within that time you need to complete that project and send the report to the trainers, and after successful completion of your training they will give you a successful completion training with the project mentioned details. And one thing I want to tell you in this video, if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel yet, please do subscribe so that you will never miss latest updates on our YouTube channel. And we are the one are uploading many videos like fresher hiring and free trainings. We are focusing on free trainings because many of freshers are not able to pay a lot of money for the training. For those type of people, we are putting maximum effort to gain the skills which are necessary for freshers. So don't forget to subscribe my channel. And if you come to this training, all the students who complete the bootcamp with complete attendance, the project submission will be rewarded certificates from them. Connect with us to get all about information, training and classes every day. And to register or enroll in this course, the link will be given in description. You can go through that link. After clicking that link, you will receive a web page like this. Here there will be given some Telegram, Discord and WhatsApp groups. Try to join any one WhatsApp group or any Telegram group. There you are going to get all updates regarding your classes, training and any related queries regarding their projects and all. And regarding this training, if you have any queries you want to ask me, you can go with comment section, and you can join in our WhatsApp and Telegram groups as well. The links also given in description. Here you need to provide all your details like email, phone number, full name, WhatsApp number. The WhatsApp number must be matched with the WhatsApp group by using which number you have joined in the WhatsApp group as the link given above. Same number try to use WhatsApp number here also. And college name, if you are up to now the college student, then you can enter your college name. And if you are graduated means, then you no need to enter your college name. And year of study, if you are first, second and third year, fourth year, then you can go with that. If you are graduated means, you can go with fourth year. And have you joined in our WhatsApp group? All details bootcamp will be provided in WhatsApp group. So if you are joined in the group means, you can go with this, or else you need to give a no. Then they will provide another WhatsApp group link. From there you can go with that. And this is about this training, guys. And I want to tell you one thing, this training will going to help you a lot who are have minimum knowledge on Python related groups. Then you can try to enroll in this training session. Here they are going to explain all the things with advanced level, means Python packages like Numpy, pandas and all. Regarding that, you will get a lot of knowledge through this session. This is about this video. And if you have any queries regarding the same, you can join in our WhatsApp and Telegram groups so that I'll try to clarify your doubts through that. Thank you.